When looking into the future, I think the most important skills one can have are critical thinking and being creative. I think if you can combine those two skills, you can tackle almost anything. Being a non-profit organization, it's super important that we actually be super mindful with our resources. This means that we actually have to think twice if we do an investment. So the opportunities of AI I see in social innovation is definitely that it can help with efficiency, but it can also help with scaling.
AI is a huge issue for young changemakers and social entrepreneurs. And so in 2025, we launched a big global study. What really stands out in our 2025 AI report is that on the one hand, more than 60% of them say that they believe AI has big benefits for themselves, their work, and even the broader society and economy. However, 70% of the same young impact entrepreneurs say that they lack support in navigating the tools and the world of AI.
AI is developing so fast, too fast at times.
We have been partnering with SAP for 8+ years now. We also currently run a program called changemakerXchange.ai that helps young changemakers navigate AI and use it to increase scale and deepen their impact. Whenever we bring together young impact entrepreneurs from the Changemaker Exchange network with SAP volunteers and staff, it's really an exchange that goes both ways.
I learned about so many different use cases, even use cases I would have never dreamt of before.
I think partnerships in the field of social innovation are extremely critical. None of us are able to solve the complex challenges of today by ourselves.
My hopes for AI are that it can actually shape things for the better, to better the world.